Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Shadow and Shadow Vlogs, and today I'll be going to sell my monitor which is not working. And the reason why I'm selling it, I'm gonna talk about it at the end of the video. So watch the whole video and you'll understand why I'm doing this. I know it's crazy what I'm doing right now, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So let's get this out of here. Whew. आई जस्ट होप दैट इट डजंट रेन बिकॉज कल बहुत बारिश हुई है और अगर अभी हो गई तो मेरी वाट लगेगी. तो oh my god. Fuck is this? I think we need to sell this as well.
गाडी तिकडे लावून तू गाडी लावून तिकडे लाव.
पार्किंग इश्यूज बॉय. भैया कवर दे दो ना. नहीं वो बेचने गए और मतलब आपके पास पहले मैं आया था तो आपने बोला कि ले लूँगा कुछ प्राइस में. सब सही है. Okay, so as you saw that I just sold my 30,000 monitor for 100 rupees, and many would argue that it's not worth 30,000, but back in the days when I just got it in 2015 I guess, it was worth 30,000. And yeah, because 144 hertz IPS panel was very new back then, so yeah, that was the price. So why did I do that? As you know, in one of my previous video I was talking about BenQ and I was trash talking about them, that their customer service is total crap and everything and all. So what happened is that after I contacted the person, one of them mailed me after 2 or more than 2 weeks I guess. So I was like, finally someone is messaging me, and he gave his personal number and he contacted me on WhatsApp. So I messaged him on WhatsApp, and he told me that can you please share us some photos and videos about what is the actual problem. The problem was pretty simple, it was white screen. So मैं बोला चल ठीक है भाई. तो मैंने उसको फ़ोटोज़ भेजा, वीडियोज़ भेजा about the problem, and then he took around the whole day to reply back. I was like चल ठीक है भाई. तो he told me that sir आपका पैनल गया हुआ है, तो the usual cost is around 70 to 80% of the price of the monitor to fix the panel. So I was like चल ठीक है, लॉजिकल बातें बोल रहा है. तो I asked him that what would be the cost. He's like sir 70 to 80% of. मैं बोला भाई प्राइस बता ना कितना है exactly, because I bought this for 30,000 5 years ago. So do you expect me to pay like 70 to 80% of 30,000 in 2020? So my question was pretty simple, that give me the cost. You know, like if he would have said like 7 to 8,000 or something, then I would have thought about it, and then you know I would have gone ahead. But he kept saying 70 to 80%. Then moreover, what he did was in the mail trail on which all his heads were there, he put a mail with keeping his heads in CC that I have contacted the customer and we are solving it, and I have also told him that the solution is paying the 70 to 80% of the price of the panel, and hence I am closing this thread. And it really got me frustrated, because भाई तूने प्रॉब्लम तो सॉल्व की नहीं है अभी तक. यू आर नॉट इवन टोल्ड मी व्हाट इज़ द कॉस्ट, या फिर हाउ आर वी गोइंग टू मूव फॉरवर्ड विद दिस, एंड तू क्लोज कर रहा है. मतलब बेसिकली तेरे को बस क्लोज करना है ना ये इशू तेरे को. सो दैट वाज रियली फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग कि भाई मतलब तेरे को तेरे हेड्स के सामने बस अच्छा बनना है कि मैंने इसको रिप्लाई कर दिया, मैंने मेरा काम कर लिया, क्लियरली वैसा ही लग रहा था। सो मेरे को बहुत गुस्सा आया। फिर मैंने उसको बोला कि भाई गिव मी द कॉस्ट। सो ही टोल्ड कि सर मेरे को ऑफिशियल कॉस्ट आने को थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, ठीक है। देन 2-3 days पास्ट, आई मैसेज हिम कि क्या आया क्या ऑफिशियल प्राइस। सो ही अगेन सेइंग दैट 70 to 80%। फिर मेरा दिमाग ख़राब हो गया। फिर आई टोल्ड हिम कि भाई 70 to 80% तुम कब से क्यों बोल रहे हो भाई, आई एम आस्किंग यू द एक्चुअल कॉस्ट, सिंपल। तो फिर वो बोलने लगा कि सर नहीं वो उतना मतलब पता नहीं मेरे को भी ये वो। एंड देन ही आई वाज लाइक कि ठीक है भाई, योर सर्विस इज़ टोटल शिट एंड हैव अ गुड डे। ख़त्म। मेरा दिमाग बहुत ख़राब हो गया। एंड I would suggest to all to please don't go for BenQ. At least if you're staying in around Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, their after sales service is total shit. And then what I did was I got a new monitor. The sale chalu hai mast Flipkart Amazon pe. So I got a nice new monitor and I will unbox it and show about it in the next video. So stay tuned. Till then, peace. Bye. Yeah, don't buy BenQ.
So tell me you got it right now, but you gotta